The only time Jaideep has raged is with me.
I know किसके घरों में गए थे क्योंकि मुझे अगले दिन पता चला।
And the holy party. Jaideep, ये कैसे हुआ ये?
बैठकर वैसे कोई लुक अलाइक बैठकर उस पार्टी की उसको उठा के लेके चली गई। बंदी वहाँ चिल्ला रही है कि मेरा बैठा है।
Okay.
Oh, where is he? Where is he, sir?
I'm right here. Hello guys.
Hello, welcome to Janice's show. Because I don't know what the name of the show is. And we're here with three beautiful people, Jaideep Alhawat, Sonali Bendre, and the one from Janice Tikwala. And I'm just going to say over to you, Janice.
And of course, the lovely Shreya Pragankar. Guys, thank you. We practice over now. Well done. What do you guys think of her intro?
Basic.
Basic.
Oh, amazing. Such a good start with that first energy.
Jaideep is like so much. Okay. So where is he? Where is he, sir?
I'm right here. Hello guys.
Jaideep, आपको पता है? I don't know if you are aware of this, but like people think you're very intimidating and unapproachable. Have you heard this before? Why do you think that is?
I have no idea.
Maybe it's because
Intimidating.
But why?
because
Unapproachable.
अभी भी?
मतलब is he intimidating and unapproachable?
No, I don't think so at all, actually.
ये डिबेट चल रहा है आपके ऊपर.
अंटिल देखो मेरा क्या है मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा बातें करना पसंद है.
हाँ.
तो मैं एक ऐसा फेस बना के बैठता हूँ कोई मेरे पास आए.
क्यों बात? That is literally.
मैं सामने उससे क्या बात करूँगा? और फिर वो एक रैंडम से सवाल होते हैं कि आपका दिन कैसा था?
Intimidating.
One sec.
But if you know me,
Face so that nobody comes and talks to you is intimidation.
Janice, the first time I met Jaideep, in the first 2 minutes he was taking my pictures. So, yeah.
Why?
Because I mean, it was our first time together and there was good light. So I said, Jaideep, do you mind taking a photograph? Sure. So I mean, that was not intimidating at all.
I like how you also come first time you guys are meeting. मैं तो मेरे photo ले ले. जैसे right बहुत करना है. And I love how you obliged also. But I want to think that what you just told us is literally the definition of unapproachable.
Yeah.
see एक चीज है क्या होता है ना कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा बाहर नहीं निकलता. अगर मैं काम नहीं तो घर पे पड़ा
हाँ, घर पे पढ़ने को करते क्या हो?
कुछ भी चला लिया मैंने अपना मन का कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्री चला ली या
हाँ.
आप लेटे हो आपने कोई किताब उठा ली पढ़ ली है वो सब चल रहा होता. तो मुझे बाहर निकलना बहुत कम पसंद है. मैं ये पार्टी से तो बहुत ही करीबी दोस्त हो वो भी 4 बार बोले नहीं तो फिर बाहर आओ.
हाँ.
और अगर जहाँ कहीं मन है तो मैं पूरी रात मन की बात. तो होता क्या है ना कि मुझे जब मैं बाहर निकलता हूँ तो मुझे गैदरिंग में थोड़ा हो जाता है कि मैं क्या बात करूँ. आप फॉर एग्जाम्पल सोनाली से पहली बार जब मिला मैं मेरे से बहुत घंटों तक कुछ नहीं बोला था. हाय हेलो बस. अब मैं क्या बात करूँ.
Small talk is the issue here.
This is the worst problem. मुझसे नहीं होता.
Which actually for everyone.
मैं कुछ भी बात देता हूँ फिर कुछ भी चलता है.
Shreya, please don't say for everyone.
When did we cross the stages?
I think after the success party of season 1.
But what happened at the success party?
We were dancing together.
So that broke the ice.
Yeah, it's like I now can say things to her. You know? What are you doing with the star?
Why?
Of course.
He sound unapproachable and all.
No, because she's been like हम बहुत बड़े हो रहे थे बट जब हम कॉलेज में थे.
Yeah.
In my art room here. So,
How sweet. That is. You never said this.
Oh my God, you had a picture.
आपको हॉस्टल के कमरों में हर दूसरे रूम में.
See, I'm going to cross question you that. Where is?
मेरे पास उन दिनों में 3-4 ही फोटोग्राफ थी जिनमें से एक मधुबाला की होती थी.
Oh.
और सोनाली बेंद्रे की आपका स्पेशली सरफरोश और ये सब आने के बाद तो ऐसा तो
I'm an elite couple.
What is your favorite Sonali Bendre memory on screen?
सरफरोश.
You know, I'm going to ask you whether that song.
Yes.
हाँ?
और जो सबसे बड़ी मेमोरी है वो गाने की.
उफ, जोहार दिल का.
No, पहली मेमोरी. जिस टाइम में डांस किया.
आँखों में.
Hamma. Yes, that actually broke the ice.
मुझे वो बात करनी नहीं. जब मैं जाडेजा की तब भी ये हुआ था कि मैं क्या बोलूँगा करेगा. मुझसे नहीं हो पाता कि how was your day ये तो बोला नहीं जाता. ये बात अभी निकल गई तो बोल दिया. ये भी तो है ना कि
That's so sweet.
बैरिस्टर ने पता नहीं क्या.
Please, can I tell you also? Can I tell you guys a story? So I went out with all my friends, and all my guys and girlfriends also, they're like, Sonali Bendre, hot, love her. And one of my friends, Amol, is a huge Sonali Bendre. Okay, he's like, like in his life is like, what do you want as a birthday gift? Can you get me a wish from Sonali? That is his thing. Okay, so
कॉलेज में
हाँ.
जब से रोक लो शेरों में ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं उन्होंने किसी ने एक बार ये लिखा था कितनी सुंदर है यार
So sweet.
I walked in and I was like, what is this bullshit? Yeah, why are you aging backwards?
डन TMI मुझे चार
What are you saying?
That's it. So that is like, I will do the rest of these interviews like this.
Whatever Jaideep says.
Yeah, whatever Jaideep says. Shit, I was like, Jaideep's not going to talk in this interview. He's finally talking. And the subject we needed to touch upon was Sonali Bendre. Okay?
No, that I'm intimidated.
I'll tell you why. Because, no, but to finish my story.
But I look like.
Yeah.
I उसका क्या फायदा होगा?
I'll tell you, coming back to yours, but let me finish the story. So, out with my friends, and Amol was also there, and it was like a late night, okay? And they're like, so Amol's a little high at this point. He's like, message her now, please. I was like, shut up. You're good. Like, you know, it's not like she's my friend. I can just like randomly message her. He's like, just say that I'm a big fan. And I think I messaged you. And she was sweet enough to like send a message back and say hi to him and this and that. Oof. I'm telling you, to this day, that story gets repeated wherever I go. I get brownie points for it.
That's so
Ki Sonali acknowledged your message and acknowledged the fact that I am a fan. So, yeah. The reason
He's gonna cry. He's gonna cry.
But the reason I'm telling you is this, okay? So, I was at the same Holi party this year as you were. And
Holi party? ये कैसे हुआ ये
इंटीमेट करते करते होली पार्टी का पहुंच
okay, and I have never met Jaideep in my life, okay? But of course, one has watched his work, one wants to go up and talk to him because also like, I'm like, kaise jao? So, and because he just has this look, he's standing in a corner and with two people and he's not looking up. There's music, people are dancing, he's just looking down. So I just say, you know what, it's Holi hai, bura na mano. So I went and put tala on him. I said, congratulations on the renewal of whatever. And he said, thank you very much. After I did that, 10 people have come up to me and said, oh my God, we also want to meet him, but he looks so intimidating. Like, you know, it looks like thappad uppad maar dega jaake hi hello bol diya tho. So I'll tell you what, this is a negative only because what if people who genuinely love your work? Huh?
They will come like you did.
मेरे में guts है, मैं तो कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ, okay?
वही survive करेंगे.
Okay, तो basically अगर आपको जयदीप अलावत को जाके कहना है कि sir, I think you are very desirable or I think your work is amazing because a girls group, another girls group by the way, completely thirsts over him. Yeah. Now, do you know this by the way? Are you aware of this?
He does.
He's aware क्या?
Yeah.
श्रेया बताती रहती है.
जयदीप इसने ऐसे बोला, जयदीप उसने ऐसे बोला.
क्या बोलते हैं?
No, as in of course.
Now let's embarrass him a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, Jaydeep, a lot of people crush on you. Like, a whole lot. People across ages.
Yeah, and men, women.
They're like, Jaydeep.
Why are you looking down?
Yeah. It's just this brooding key. Just don't.
Yeah.
He likes it. Jaydeep, you like it.
That brooding intensity is what gets.
He doesn't like a show that he's blushing.
हाँ secret बता दो ना.
Okay, so the way to get him talking is to maybe bring up a topic about one of the two of you, to get him to dance at a party so that then he can tell you anything. And
Holy party, you didn't dance?
he left, huh? Later I was looking for him, he left.
The only time Jaydeep has raged is with me.
Well, I'd say, what did he do?
Post the rap party, we all just went out because I ended up reaching late. We partied all
We
night.
reached at home like 6 o'clock.
Till 6 in the morning, we were like
We
raging.
don't know कि किसके घरों में गए थे हम. हम किसी
I'm serious,
I have to
Janice.
tell you that I know किसके घरों में गए थे क्योंकि मुझे अगले दिन पता चला.
तुम नहीं गई? आप नहीं गए?
She left.
तुम बोलने पर भी comment section में आ जाएगा. तुमको कोई respect नहीं है लोगों की, तुम मुंबई कर.
I was not there, but I want to know.
Yeah.
Why didn't you rage with them? Now don't say it's because I can't.
She's too disciplined a person.
Yeah.
It's not about discipline. I had had a long day. I was exhausted by the end of it. And also, I'm not much of a party person. Have never been. So, I had given it all at that rap party.
But she came at around.
I came after shoot. I came after shoot
I was
when,
waiting
yeah.
for her.
So whose houses did you go to?
मैम chat book.
I swear to God, we don't know the person's name.
Yeah.
We planned it up and there was a party and we danced, I've broken a heel. Then I've gone for shoot after that because I was told I have an early morning call time. So yeah, there was one day when we really sort of had.
बैग था वैसे कोई लुक अलाइक बैग था उस पार्टी में ये उसको उठा के लेके चली गई वो बंदी वहां चिल्लाने के मेरा बैग कहां है
It was amazing.
उसके बैग
When the camera stopped rolling, I'll give you details about this.
But I want to know that the person whose house you guys have entered randomly at 3 in the morning.
and they welcome us like
Yeah,
Of
they were
course.
like sweet.
the after party
Bro, if you're going at 3 in the morning to someone's house,
but somebody who's known to that
Yeah. A friend's friend or something. Yeah.
so there is a ranger side to Mr. Jaideep Palawat. Very unlike his on-screen characters and even his interview persona. Basically, you don't like doing interviews, do you? You hate it, don't you?
hate it but not much थोड़ा बहुत
So what is the setting that one should catch you in to get a really good interview?
like this आराम से ये सवाल नहीं पूछे जा रहे हैं बातचीत
I'll come back to asking you guys a question, which was on my mind recently. Without naming names, a very famous celebrity went on record to say that feminism has ruined our society, and like use those exact words. I'm sitting with 3 people who I feel like I've had very different life experiences, and I'm a very strong, proud, happy feminist over here. I want to know, do you guys really think that?
Yeah, you know, honestly, I think people haven't Googled the definition of feminism because the definition of feminism is equal rights, cerebral equality, equality in all facets of life. It's not one-upmanship. And I think unknowingly, a lot of people are feminists already, but they somehow don't call themselves that because they think feminism is male bashing, which is not true. So,
that's what rude
yeah, so I think
feminism is male bashing
that's not true.
that's the wrong part
Yeah, that's not true at all. So,
Like, my point is, and this is what, okay, another thing that baffles me constantly is that they know men and women can be feminists. It's not just women who are feminists.
exactly.
But
exactly.
it just feels like now, and this gets reinforced every few years, I feel, and particularly always a female celebrity saying something silly like this,
Yeah.
which kind of,
was a female celebrity.
Yes.
yeah, why else would it?
I
Yes.
don't know who said it.
A few moments later.
There are enough people who are feminists, but just the definition has taken on this connotation of male bashing, which a lot of us are not comfortable with.
Yeah.
I'm not comfortable with male bashing. We are looking for equal rights, and you want equal rights, not up and down, because again, that's an imbalance.
Mm.
What you want is a balance.
Yeah,
And either way is when the scale moves and it's not a balance, it's a problem.
yeah. No, fair. Jaideep?
I totally agree equal rights equal opportunities and
Equal
Exactly.
even if
no, not just equal. If she's doing something way better than me, she should be given more work to it and pay or whatever जो भी आप still नहीं करते बात वो नहीं है कि आपके जैसा नहीं बनता है
not to
So,
get a job because of
yes
gender.
वो सिर्फ इसलिए कि
Yeah.
आप एक फीमेल हो उसकी वजह से वो
Yeah.
pay नहीं
Yeah.
Correct.
that's the point
It's not about fighting for the same things. Nobody's really against each other.
Yeah.
And I think being a homemaker is as empowering as being a working woman.
And it's a choice, and
It's a
that's
choice.
exactly.
So,
As long as it's a choice.
Exactly.
Yeah, what would real feminism be? That where you have the choice to be the
Yeah.
Yeah,
But it should not be something that you have to do even if you don't want to.
yeah.
That's what it is.
Correct. The other trend that I see in news nowadays is, of course, the paparazzi culture. I mean, right before we came over here, also there's, the paps are there. They're going to be clicking you guys. Yesterday, a press conference happened. They clicked you guys over there also. And in the paparazzi culture, ऐसा भी हो गया कि there are a lot of celebrities now who are famous for the sake of being famous. Not necessarily क्योंकि उनका काम है कुछ, उनकी acting background है, उनकी कोई दूसरी मतलब पहचान है. What do you guys think of that? Like, the
I have a
whole
counter question to that.
हाँ.
What about the fact that now you want to cast people because they are famous?
Mm.
Turned around that way. So you are looking at how many followers and you want to cast the person, not if that person can do the job or not, but because that person has the followers. They might be good actors or not good actors, but that's the requirement now.
I want to.
That's what's happening now.
100%.
So what
Yeah.
No, I mean, that's a great question. I'd love for you guys to
Yeah.
like take on that.
I think when there are so many voices in your head or voices around you, you really have to identify what is that one voice which is the most authentic to you. Because I noticed that a lot of people are encouraged to more than build your skills or who you are. It's more about building a perception. And I think both is important, but it can be misleading if you tell someone that only think of your social media and only think of your followers, and that's not going to get you, because the legacy is not going to be created by how many followers you have. You know, some of the most incredible people today are not on social media. But I have noticed that yes, people do end up looking at your Instagram as a digital resume of sorts to just see what your vibe is. And to me, that's a little scary, because that means you have to constantly put different things out there. I don't know. I don't stress myself about it. But this is a pattern that I am seeing very clearly, where it seems to matter to a lot of makers, but not a lot of good ones.
Okay. No, I think this conversation is being had in so many creator and actor circles.
Yeah.
Because your follower count definitely does matter now. And I don't know of a single actor जिसकी social media team उन पे constantly pressure नहीं डाल रही है to post the look that you have. Like Jaideep is sitting in this smashing look.
But that's not enough, Janice. I have to say this, and I mean it when I say this, that if you choose to stress about it, it's different. But is that enough? That's never enough. You know? So just focusing on how you're looking or only being obsessed with your digital scrapbook is really not going to get you anywhere. There are so many incredible people who, based on their work, have, you know, created a path for themselves. And you're
But I disagree. I feel like a lot of people today are getting work purely because of their digital wealth.
No, fair enough, but longevity, I'm saying. And honestly speaking, there's no judgment if somebody's become famous for being famous. They've used that platform also really well and created a brand for themselves. So fair enough, you know.
It's so hilarious to me. It's like you have basically paid the paparazzi in the beginning because you want to be covered. And then you have gone and you've almost analyzed what is working, what is not working. Okay, my clothes are working. My statements are working. My outlandish behavior is working. My phone freaking covers are working. And then automatically you start to work more on that. And before you know it, the paparazzi is chasing you. It's almost like I can't think of a more genius or diabolical way of using the news platforms, to be completely honest with you.
But I don't think there's any judgment. I would not judge that sort of route if someone wants to take it.
I don't judge it. In fact, at some level, I respect the hustle.
So the reason for my counter question was that when you said that, you know, what should somebody be famous just for being famous? There's something coming out of being famous, and which is that they're being cast because they're famous, because of the number of followers they have. So they're working towards a goal.
Yeah.
So,
But and also because you put your hand up and said social media numbers. How much of that pressure do you take on you guys?
I don't. See, there are pros to it and cons to it. I was not on social media for the longest time. And then I agree with my team on certain things. There are many things that I disagree with and I will not do it and all of that. I make their life hell. What things? They're really sweet. I love the girls. But the fact of the matter is that when you have that blue tick and when you put out something on that, it's what you want said.
Yeah, it's your page.
From where I come from, I never had the opportunity of earlier. It was always, whatever I wanted to say came through somebody else's opinion. And journalists always had opinions on you. It was never non-opinionated. And usually it was false. Whatever, it was figment, a lot of times was the story they were making. So it was not just today, fake news was always there. And I could never clarify it because I was always dependent on somebody giving out that clarification in their way.
Yeah.
So that way, I love the democracy that social media gets, where I can put out what I have to say. Now, you don't want to believe it, it's your problem, but I've put my clarity out there. And I have the opportunity to do that.
No,
In
fair.
that sense, I respect that.
Yeah. What about you, Jaideep? Do you at all pay attention to your Instagram page or any of your social media?
You can't really do that.
So, आपके लिए it's only which is also I think a lot of actors in the West and in different other countries also choose to use their social media just for that. आप उनको कभी नहीं देखोगे except for when they've got a trailer to put out or they've got work to put out.
That's also, I think, a way of dealing with it. You know, if you're not comfortable being, private people especially, it's very difficult to be constantly putting things out. You're not comfortable with that. But you know, there are certain things that need to be done. It helps. So then you kind of try to find a balance between that. And that's a way of compartmentalizing it and dealing with it, I think.
Yeah. I like how she's Jaideep, you have anything to add? I feel like in this whole interview, it will be like you, me, her talking like Jaideep ka.
So much.
When it came to you and dancing.
You know, which is so much more than he has ever spoken.
Let me ask you, Jaideep, do you have a take on social media? Do you hate it? Do you love it?
I don't hate it. I don't love it. It's like आप डिसाइड करो कि लिए आपको क्या चाहिए. पर मैं ये जरूर मानता हूँ कि please don't get into that phase that this is so real. It's a virtual world. Don't be fooled by it.
It's a tool.
Yeah.
It's a tool.
Yeah.
It's not your life.
Yeah.
And I have seen people उनकी लाइफ में एक्साइट नहीं और कुछ नहीं. I'm so scared of it.
Yeah.
For that.
I agree.
It's like यार इनको शायद रिलेशन ही इस बात का कि ये 5 साल बाद ये हिट करेगा कि ये सब सच नहीं था.
Yeah. That facade that you put on.
शायद वो रहेगा नहीं और पर आपको तब तक उन फॉलोअर्स की उन कमेंट्स की आदत पड़ चुकी होगी कि आपको उससे हाउ टू बच दे वो बात. I just hope कि वो समझते हो कि ये बिजनेस है, उसको बिजनेस पर इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो अपने फेम की, अपने काम के लिए, बट इट्स नॉट द रियल वर्ल्ड.
नहीं यार, मैं सच में मैंने ये काफी देखा है, इवन लाइक फॉर क्रिएटर्स हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ पे जो उसका फर्क पड़ता है. लाइक जब आपको इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक एक पोस्ट चल जाता है वो डोपामिन हिट मिलता है.
Telling you, all of these people, they have a certain age group. When they will cross that age group, or maybe even more after 5 years or 10 years. हो सकता है इंस्टाग्राम ना हो, कुछ हो रहा है. टिकटॉक बंद हुआ था.
Correct.
हो गया था देश.
पागल हो गया था सच में.
जेन्युइनली रोते हुए वीडियो आ रहे थे लोगों को. सोचो कितना बुरा असर पड़ता होगा मेंटल हेल्थ पे कि सडनली what they thought is the life and reality for them, it just vanished.
That's because for a lot of people, their whole and soul is that they're making money from it and that's their career. People have created careers out of it.
That's your business.
Exactly.
Yeah. So treat
Yeah.
it like as a business.
Yeah.
It's not your life.
But I would say, I mean, I think it's so important to know who you are even without this certain number of followers. Who are you without that blue tick? You're so much more than the number of followers you have. And if one really wants to ask themselves that question, then that's very important, you know. And I think as actors somehow, because at least 3 of us, we're not primarily content creators, so I don't think that stress is there. But hats off to people who do it with commitment,
Yes.
because it's a whole lot of work.
Oh my god, yeah.
And I can't even imagine that stress. It's too much stress.
On that very serious note, we're going to play a quick game. Yes.
So serious.
Yeah, na? Here's the game, okay? It's called How Well Do You Know Your Co-Star? अभी आपने 2 seasons कर लिए साथ में, रेज भी कर लिया साथ में, नाच लिए साथ में. So I'm going to ask you guys a series of 5 questions per person.
Okay.
5 questions about Shreya, 5 questions about Jaideep, 5 questions about Sonali. And obviously when it's Sonali's questions, you guys will answer, she'll give the right answer.
Okay.
You are just writing stuff on it.
तो मुझे उन लोगों से बड़ी जेलसी होती है जिनकी राइटिंग सुंदर होती है.
हाँ, वो
Sure.
ऐसा बना के लिखते हैं.
Let's start with answering Sonali.
Yeah, Sonali's questions are first, okay? For Jaideep and Shreya, how well do you know Sonali? First is a really easy question.
Okay.
Sonali is the cutest dog mommy, posting pictures with her baby constantly on her Instagram.
I know.
Can you tell me her dog's name?
Oh damn! Wait, I know this. But I've forgotten.
Come on.
Hold on. Oh damn! Wait.
It is not that long a name. Jaideep, कुछ तो लिखो यार.
दिया ही नहीं.
Just write anything.
Wait.
I can see what he's written. Please edit it.
This
Wait,
is not right. I know, but wait.
Wait 1 second.
It's something with M. Is it
Yeah,
something
you have to
with
write the
M?
correct answer. You can say the correct
Janice,
answer.
is it something with M?
I'm not
the
saying that.
It's not. Okay.
Okay, I'll give you guys a really big hint.
Yeah.
It starts.
Can't give him.
Okay, can't give. And she said no, not to say. Okay, Shreya, Jaideep, show me your answers. Angel or something with M. Cancel her. Please show your answer to the cameras. He has written dog.
Wait, I know you met your dog.
You know, this is like saying he.
Asil Sachin.
I'm feeling really bad because
This is terrible.
Baby dog.
Her name is Miss ICM.
I was right.
No, you're not getting any points for that.
I see, so I was right. Come on, half.
No.
मुश्किल सवाल है.
Many M.
This is a difficult question.
यूपीएससी में भी फेल हो.
No, but Janice M. I was close.
आ सकता है.
I would miss eyes.
Next question. Okay. Sonali is born on a day all of us celebrate. All of us celebrate that day. What is the date? Look at Jaideep getting 0 on 0 on 0 on all of the answers.
Wait, her birthday was 1
It is a day all of us celebrate.
I can't remember anybody's birthday. It's just 5. Are you going to ask me 8 questions too? I'm going to be minus then.
Okay, Shreya,
No,
right?
just 1 second. 1 second.
What
This is so
your
sad.
dog name is the question I'm thinking.
Yeah,
Just-
stop.
Just give me a right answer before they throw me out.
Listen. Quickly, what is
No, just shush.
Are you asking?
No one.
Celebrate.
Come on, quickly. All of us celebrate the day. All of us. We love it. It's our favorite day of the year.
yes. Yes.
Wrong, yes. Jaideep has got it right. He wrote first Jan. Okay, I cannot believe that Jaideep has got a point. And Shreya, you are still on 0.
I'm amazed at him, mother.
Sonali,
Okay,
I chew every year. I'm so sorry.
थोड़े दिन पहले आपने बोला था कि वो उससे पार्टी करने वाले हैं और नया साल भी आ रहा है but it didn't by because I was not in it.
You were not in.
Okay, guys. Next question. We all know that Sonali starred in the classic Hamma Hamma song. Can you tell me who sang the song?
Yes.
You also don't know? Hey, hello, can you wait? He's written nothing. You're getting 0 for that answer.
I just want
Okay.
to redeem myself.
And
Sorry.
you are getting 1 point, okay?
Thank you.
It was Remo, even she didn't know. It was Remo Fernandez. Okay. Sonali's song, Jo Haal Dil Ka. हाँ. Galo.
हाँ.
This is going to be on fastest fingers first, okay?
Yes, say.
What is the name of the film?
ये तो आपने हम लोग बोल देते तो मैंने पहले बोला था
Okay, currently in this round
Two
at
up.
least, no, he's got 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1 point. Last question for Sonali. As per IMDb, Sonali and Shahrukh have done 3 films together. Sonali's only looking like, what?
हाँ.
Can you name at least 2? Come on, guys. This is very, very easy.
The second one I don't know. What are there only two?
No, look here. You look here.
Yeah, you check if it's right. Don't trust.
No, which.
With Shahrukh. First one. I know one.
I will give.
Wait, was one a
Yeah. You can. Yeah, correct. You can write. Yeah, you can write. Quickly.
What क्या बोला ये
One was an
okay.
extended
Are we
special
ready?
appearance.
Are we ready? With that?
Wait. In a very, very popular show.
okay.
और आप ऐसे छुपा रहे हो.
तुमसे छुपा रहा हूँ
Quickly, yeah. Jenny. 1,
He's not gonna get it.
2,
डॉक्टर देश में ये
3,
नाम भी नहीं पता
4.
कुछ ना हो रहा
कुछ ना हो.
कल हो रहा हो हाँ
So I think I got it right. Duplicate and कल होना.
Yeah,
Should we give Jaideep half a point for duplicate?
Did he right? अच्छा then give.
Okay.
Also Sonali, I'm so sorry I forgot your birthday.
Both of them any point.
What?
बोला अभी नाम याद नहीं आता
They didn't tell us. There were 3 movies.
What is the third film, by the way, is?
But you asked for 2.
What is the third film, Sonali?
For 2 or 3?
Yeah, but tell them the third film.
English Babu Desh.
ओह
But you asked for 2, Janice.
Yeah,
So-
correct. Yeah. So currently, Shreya is at 3 points. Okay, Jaideep is at 1.5. Okay, we're now going to play Jaideep's round really quick. Jaideep. Okay, so this time Jaideep answers the questions and like Jaideep has to give the correct answer, then you go guys are play. Okay, simple question. Clearly not going to be simple for the 3 of you.
Yeah.
What is Jaideep's zodiac sign?
When is his birthday?
One second.
Guys talk a
One
lot
second.
during shoot, don't you?
1 second.
Guys,
Wait.
what are you all standing there?
I'm just
None of you are supposed to help.
कोई नहीं बताएगा
कोई नहीं बताएगा. Please guys, cheating मत करो. Cheating मत करो.
सब इधर उधर देखो इधर उधर
just trying to think happy.
Just write one zodiac sign. Sonali, no, start writing now. Start writing.
What are we?
Start writing.
अभी तो नहीं है second half of the year.
Yes, he's born in the month of February. That's all I will tell you.
Wait, did I not wish? Of course I wished you on your birthday. Okay.
February
Alright.
में 2 आते हैं, so now you take your guess. Okay, ready? 3,
Yeah.
2, 1, show me.
Capricorn.
You're wrong. She's right. Okay, Sonali's opened a khata.
Yes. Oh.
Because the moment she said fair,
Yeah.
and the way his personality.
But isn't Capricorn also kind of like almost
Yeah, but he's more
Aquarius? Okay.
Okay, next question. In which film?
In which film?
I will tell you.
His birthday is 8th Feb, by the way. guys.
We had wished each
I
other
get
well
along
along.
with Aquarius. My husband is one.
Oh. That's how she gets along with you, Jaideep.
Isn't he?
Isn't he?
Comment and I don't remember.
Isn't he?
Somebody Google if Goldie is an
Sonali.
Hi Goldie, this is your wife Sonali. I'd like to tell you she's not sure of your son's
Surprise. In our relationship, he's the one who remembers all the dates. I'm the one who does it.
Look at her going like, he is. Don't worry, घर पे इस पे कोई मामला, कोई conversation नहीं होगा. In which film did Jaideep play the role of a spy handler? Look at him giving zero. He's very. I love the poker face. You can write the correct answer. You can say it out loud.
Is this right?
Yes. Shreya getting one more point. The film was Razi. Okay, currently Shreya leading.
What is the hamper that you're giving?
I'll tell you now at the end of it. There is something.
There is friends. Ashur, there is
There
that.
Next question. Who among these is not Jaideep's batchmate
Not.
from FTI?
Okay.
Now the word here is not.
Okay.
Okay. Rajkumar Rao, Vijay Verma, Gulshan Devaiya.
Gulshan
Dev, we know this. Gulshan Devaiya.
कल बात
Yes.
एकदम fresh memory है.
Yes.
Oh, okay. SB opening account with one more, but Shreya still in the massive lead.
The correct spelling?
Yeah.
Yes.
Devaiya में एक और A है आगे उसके. But I don't think he'll mind that. Don't worry. Okay. Which state does Jaideep belong to? Very
I
easy.
know this.
Very easy, guys. Very easy. मैं कोई hint नहीं दे रही.
Yes, got it. Yes. I know.
हाँ तो सोनाली के कुत्ते का नाम पूछ रहे हो तो
Yes.
बिल्कुल याद नहीं आएगा.
Haryana.
I got it wrong.
You got it wrong still.
Punjab.
But yeah.
Okay.
I just feel bad that I forgot your birthday, so I'm trying to make it up by knowing these random facts.
Jaideep Alavat is from Haryana. Last question for Jaideep. Jaideep's height is often discussed by his co-stars. I'll give it to her. She wrote it first. No, so it's okay.
Guys, I'm competitive. Okay.
Okay, so SB on 3, Jaideep on 1.5, and Shreya at freaking 6.
Yeah.
Okay, I feel like.
Yo, I'm better than Jaideep.
Okay, last is for Shreya, guys. Now pay attention over there. You two have to write. Like, this would be really embarrassing if you guys didn't know this. Okay, which film did Shreya make her Hindi film debut in?
Fan.
Hey, you can't say it out loud. He had no clue.
So you get
Don't say it. Let's embarrass him. I will need to embarrass Jaideep.
Jaideep, have you not watched Fan?
But he doesn't watch anything. ये खुद का भी काम नहीं देखते. हाँ.
Okay, I get the point.
Yeah, okay. So
I get the point.
she gets the point. Jaideep, you're going.
Point is that I get
But let him answer because I just want to know.
हाँ बस embarrass कर.
Yes, because you embarrassed me.
The next question.
बर्थडे याद रहते हैं कुछ तो ये थी रिसेंट था इसलिए.
True or false लिखिए. Shreya is a trained gymnast and has won and entered several state level competitions. True or false? Please wait for your answer. Please write something. Okay, show me your answers. You are wrong. She is right.
I'm right.
You're
I'm
right.
a trained swimmer, not a gymnast.
Next question in your hate. Shreya is also a dog mommy. She also posts a lot of pictures of her dogs. Of her dog. What is her doggo's name? बहुत common नाम है.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like every American boy's name.
Yeah.
Wait.
Hey, yes. Jacku.
Jack.
He has only one eye, like Jack the Flick. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, by the way, SB and you are neck to neck. Huh?
Oh my God. Oh, okay. Okay. Now I'm not going to root for her to get the
Okay.
answer.
Which of these 3 international languages can Shreya speak?
अभी वो
Wait.
speak
Wait.
basic.
I'm giving you
सीखा
choices.
वो, Basic सीखा था.
Basics, हाँ, okay. Mandarin, Russian, Japanese.
कितना है?
हाँ, एक उनमें से guess करो. Don't look at him.
I'm just looking.
Play poker.
नहीं मैंने रेफरेंस जवाब.
लिखा के दिखा दीजिए. Wrong. Right? You're right. SB has taken over
I
you.
studied some Japanese in school. So.
Can you say anything in Japanese?
Onakakasukimashita. I'm hungry.
Okay. Last question, guys.
I second that. हाँ.
ये तो आपको पता होना चाहिए सर.
Okay.
Okay. Shreya started an international series called Beecham House. Who directed it?
He
It
would
is-
never know this.
How could?
He would never know this.
Should I give them a hint?
Yeah.
I don't know.
She made a very famous film around like football.
Around football, yeah. Yeah.
But then nobody gets a point.
Kick बताइए.
Nobody gets that point.
He's saying kick, but I
Bend it like that.
No, I get the point.
No one gets the point.
I said it.
I won even without it, yaar. Okay.
नाम डालोगे तो सबके पेट से नाम याद करो.
Heard me.
He's saying सबके pet के नाम याद करो.
Listen, आज तो आप लोग सेट पे इतना टाइम बिताते हो, इतने फोटो शेयर
ये
करते हो.
बातें नहीं करते, हम random बातें करते हैं.
Yeah, actually.
I feel like in this
I'll tell you
interview,
why. It's not like I knew she had learned Japanese. I know. It was just a guess because I've seen her. I've heard her mention Tokyo and
Yeah.
in Chai Blossom.
Yeah.
Exactly. So it was just a guess. When you don't know, you just guess.
so if we wanted to use this interview to change Jaideep's image, I would like to say it hasn't.
No.
It hasn't at all.
want to
Okay?
change it also.
Yeah, he's like, because clearly doesn't follow you guys on Instagram. He has no idea when your birthdays are.
But I definitely will not go.
Jaideep has a lot of other secrets.
Jack, of course I do.
He does.
But I definitely not go and find the name Jack and
Miss Icy.
क्या था?
Miss Icy.
Miss Ice.
Guys, please watch The Broken News Season 2 only on
Z5.
Third May,
Please watch.
don't forget. Third May,
You're gonna love it.
Z5, Broken News, Season 3.
I'm gonna kill Awaz Bharti this time.
Oh, I'm gonna kill you.
I hope.
You, not you. Please.
Guys, ये probably हो.
It's happening, but who is getting killed is the secret.
Okay, well done. It's a wrap.